Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charles Chinonso, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to create a 3D ebook cover mockup. And the exciting part is we'll be using Canva. So this thing is very simple, okay? So just follow through to the end of this video, and by the end of this video you'd have been able to create your own 3D ebook cover mockup. For the sake of marketing, probably you need a 3D cover mockup for your marketing. With this I'm about to teach you, you'll be able to create one for yourself and use it for your marketing. Alright, so for you to create a 3D book cover mockup, you need to download Canva application and create an account. That's just very simple. Just go ahead and do that right away. So once you're done creating your account and you log in, you'll be welcome with this interface. So beforehand, you must have created your 2D ebook cover. I mean, like the way you want the ebook cover to look, you must have created it. So now you come to Canva and you click on this plus icon. Can you see the plus icon here? So once you click on it, so you can see they say, what would you like to create? So over here, I could actually type, I would like to create ebook cover by searching for ebook cover, or I can just go ahead and type this particular ebook cover you are seeing here. So once I click on this, so at this point, this will load up for us. So what you want to do now is you want to insert the 2D ebook design you've done before. So I'll just simply go to my gallery and insert it. So come over to your gallery. So it will open up your gallery for you and you click on the 2D design. So I just clicked mine. Let me add it to the page. So once I add it to the page, then we should have something like this. Can you see? So this is the 2D design I made that I want to use for my 3D cover mockup. So once you've inserted this successfully, what you want to do next is you want to go to where you have apps. You can see all what we have down here. Can you see? So just swipe to the left and you see where you have apps. Can you see apps right here? So click on apps. Once you click on apps, then all these will load up for you. So you simply go to where you have mockups. I guess you can see that's the first thing on our screen right here. So once you click on mockups, then it will load up several mockups for you. So you get to choose the one you want to use. You can see that we have smartphone mockup, we have print, we have apparel and computers. The list goes on like that. So for the sake of this tutorial, we want to use print mockup because we want to create an ebook cover mockup. So you click on see all. Once you click on see all, so you can see we have several kind of prints. There are envelopes here and some jotters, business cards. You can see. So if you scroll down, you get to see where we have the 3D ebooks. Can you see that there are several designs right here? So what you do is you choose the one that's aligned with your desire, the one that you wish to use. So for me, I'll choose this particular one. So anyone you want to choose, just tap on it and it will land on your templates. Do you understand? It will land on your template. So you can see it has loaded and this is what we have right here. So if you are okay with what you have, you can just click on done. Can you see done? And if you are not okay with it, probably you want some part of the mockup should be showing, you can just come and edit this. So whatever you edit here determines how it shows on the mockup. So you can see what I'm doing. So you see what we did. So some part of the mockup is going to show with this, but if you want it to show fully on the ebook like the way we have on our screen here, then you don't need to touch that. But with what I just did now, let's see what it will create for us. So can you see that it is not covering every part? Just undo that and leave it as the original design. So basically, that is how you get to create an ebook cover mockup. So you can get to increase the size. Probably you want it to cover the whole page and look like a full ebook. You can get to increase the size. I see what I'm doing and drag it to the center. So once you're done with all this, then you get to like save it. I think this is perfect. And you can also reduce it by dragging it in. Can you see? Once you are done with everything and you want to save it, then you click on this download button up here. So once you click on that, you click on download and you can see we have PNG, we have PDF standard. So you just want to stick with PNG because it is just an image you're trying to download. So just click on download. Once you click on download, it's already downloading. So this should appear in my gallery. Basically, this is how you download an ebook cover mockup. If you want to learn how to create an ebook, like an actual ebook, you want to check the video in the description on how to do that. I already made a video on how to create an ebook Do you get, from the scratch? Even if you don't have any idea on what to write in your ebook, I did a video on that. So just click on that and you get to see that video. So I believe you got value from this tutorial. Let's go and check what I created. You can see. Can you see what we created? So this is it in my gallery. So if you got value from this video, just ensure to subscribe to my channel and comment that you actually did this and it worked for you. And if you got value, just ensure to like this video so that the algorithm will show it to more people. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.